Ever contemplate the effectiveness of your current workout routine? Ponder no more. Today we delve into the exciting realm of fitness, revealing tips and tricks that keep your workout routine fresh and effective. Imagine the sensation of a heart racing, the sweet burn in muscles after a good workout. The satisfaction that comes with achieving fitness goals is incomparable, isn't it? Now think about the possibility of amplifying these feelings by tweaking your workout routine just a bit. Intriguing, isn't it? Intriguing. First, establish a solid workout routine. But remember, consistency does not mean monotony. Keep the routine exciting by incorporating different exercises. Mix strength training with cardio, yoga with high-intensity interval training. Variety is the spice of life, and in workouts, it's the secret to continuous growth and progress. Second, set realistic goals. Aim for steady, gradual improvement rather than instant transformation. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. A slow and steady approach helps to maintain motivation and prevents injuries. Third, hydration and nutrition play pivotal roles in maintaining a healthy workout routine. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after workouts. Fuel your body with balanced meals that nourish and provide energy. Fourth, remember the importance of rest. No matter how dedicated you are, your body needs time to recover. Incorporate rest days into your workout schedule. Sleep well. These periods of rest are when your body rebuilds and strengthens itself. Lastly, make your workout routine enjoyable. Find activities that you love. Dance, swim, hike, do martial arts. When you love what you do, it's no longer a chore. It becomes a passion. To recap, maintain an effective workout routine by incorporating variety, setting realistic goals, hydrating and nourishing your body, resting adequately, and most importantly, enjoying the process. These tips will not only help to keep your routine fresh and exciting, but also ensure that you remain motivated and committed to your fitness journey. So, as you ponder on your workout routine, remember these tips. They are your keys to unlocking a fulfilling and effective fitness journey. So go forth, break a sweat, and remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier, fitter you.